All right, people, we're going to do a driver's impression from an R33 GT-R owner and enthusiast. And let me tell you, I'm super excited because this is my dream car. And out of all of the JDM cars, this is literally my favorite one. All right, let's go. All right, guys. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited to tell you about this car. Now, we gotta let it warm up because any car that you have to let it warm up, right? So we're gonna put the windows up and drive chill till it's warm. But let me tell you, the GT-R, guys, the GT-R is probably one of the only JDM cars, in my opinion, and if you know me, you've known I've owned mostly all of them, that out of the box, out of the cereal box, it is pretty much like a race car. And if you think about the new GT-R, right, what other JDM car can compete with the new GT-R? Nothing. All-wheel drive, twin turboed. Well, these original Skylines were just like that. And they are insane fun. Now, my GT-R only has an exhaust. That's it, guys. I've got some cool aftermarket wheels, but I don't have anything fancy. I mean, this is what you get when you buy a GT-R. And again, it's so rare to find that anywhere else. And the great thing is that it just drives so sophisticated. I mean, there really isn't an easy way to tell you what is going on. You've got the all-wheel drive system, you've got the torque vectoring, you've got the individual throttle bodies, which sound crazy. You've got an engine that revs really, really quick. I mean, super quick. And the sound. I mean, we all know that RBs and 2JZs are like the king of sounds, and this does not disappoint. Now, we got a couple cars in front of us, so we're not going to be doing anything crazy, but I'm going to tell you why this is literally my dream / favorite car. The thing about the GT-R is that it just feels just absolutely like unique. It doesn't feel like a little car. It doesn't feel like a big car. It doesn't feel like a normal car. It feels like a rocket ship, like a little jet, like that you're flying in the road. And that's what I love about it, is that everything is designed for the driving experience and for motorsports and for performance. Like, Nissan didn't build this car and was trying to accomplish like 10 things in one. They weren't trying to pursue a luxury car, a grand touring car, a car that somebody could feel comfortable in. They put out the GT-R for pure performance, and it does not disappoint. All right, guys, the car is warmed up, and I'm just gonna give you a little taste. And that's not even going in the power range. If I downshift, which the downshifts sound cool, and I'm about 3,000, 4,000 RPMs, just feels good. It feels confident. It's a feeling that isn't like, it's almost smooth. Like, you're not having like a huge rush at the top or in the bottom. And it's designed so you can take advantage of that, throughout the curves, when I drive this car, guys, I'm gonna stop talking so you can just kind of experience the energy. You know, this is literally, you could just do that all day. And that's what I love about the GT-R. It's just fun. Where does the GT-R not do good at? Like, what is it not good at? Being boring. Like, if you want like a luxury, boring, calm, non-exciting ride, this isn't it. And that's okay though, because there's times when you don't want that. And honestly, like, every time I get in this car, it's just so much fun, because you really can't get off of the throttle. You just keep wanting to do that over and over again. And the cool thing is this isn't like a Mustang, which they're cool, but this is literally a car that is hunting for curves. It wants curves. Like, it does straights and it does curves really well. All right, guys, thank you for watching. We appreciate it. Stay tuned. It looks like you guys like these driver impressions, so we'll keep doing them if you like them. All right, bye.